The carpometacarpal joints are the next concept which we'll be looking at in orthopedics. Of course, we are picking like important anatomies to look at it. Why? Because later on when we start talking about what clinical applications, you know, if there's a joint, we'll start talking about all those inflammations and all of that, you know, dislocations. At least we might have built what the basic anatomy knowledge that we have, that we need. So we are looking at the carpometacarpal. So carpometacarpal, I want us to actually break down this word. Carpo is from the word carpal. Metacarpal is what? The metacarpal. You understand? So carpometacarpal is just mean like the joint between the carpal bones and the metacarpal bones. You know. So there are just connections between carpal bones of the wrist and the metacarpal bones of the hand. Right? So these joints are very important for your hand function, for you to be able to grab something, for you to be able to pinch something, and also fine motor control. Alright. So key fact about the carpometacarpal joints is there are 5 of them. So 1 for each of the 5 metacarpals we have. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So there are 5, 1 for each. You know. So second to the 5th carpometacarpal joints are progressively less mobile, you know, providing stability to the hand. Right? So this is just trying to describe, you know, the joint, the bones involved. Alright, please, you can pause to look at this. Alright, so here is just trying to just give insight about the movement, which you can also pause to look at it. So clinical relevance, we're learning this because later on we'll talk about arthritis that occurs in this place, especially at the thumb. It's common in older adults, can cause a lot of pain, can make their thumb stiff. Alright, so you know your thumb is like the chief gripper. So if your thumb is stiff, there's problems with your thumb, you have problems grabbing things. Okay, alright, so we'll also later on talk about injuries like dislocation, fractures at these joint areas, okay, that may impair hand function and require orthopedic care. You understand? So that's it for the basic anatomy for this area. This is a nice one, so you can pause to look at it. Right, and that's it.